The new Rasor DD120MR is a 3-phase cutting unit for cutting textile, technical textiles, and composite material up to 40 millimeters thickness. A toolless variable finger protection fulfill highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. A 3-phases heavy-duty industrial motor in combination with direct drive system converts the machine in a high-speed cutting device. The machine cuts textiles, technical textiles, and natural fibers accurate and fast. The central knife guidance provides the slim profile. This warrants a smooth cut without jamming. The DD120MR has no coupling gear, which means no maintenance, reducing therefore also the operation cost, while using during the no-stop 24-hour day production processes. The knife can reach a speed of 2,600 RPM, so this tool comes perfect for the high-speed no-stop cutting process. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes as well as for cross-cutting. For edge trimming is a right and a left mirrored version available. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor DD120MR into an universal 3-phases cutting solution in any high-speed O.E.M application. The delivery contains the DD120MR, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download.